In this video, I'll show you how to generate a PDF file through a deployed web app form and save it to Google Drive. First, let's create a new subfolder where the PDF files will be generated. Open a subfolder and copy the key ID. I will open previously generated form for this example. Let's remove this action first. Then I'll enable the generated PDF action type. Enable in the action properties and paste the copied key ID of the Google Drive subfolder. Refresh the page to view the updates, then go to Generated Code tab and copy the code.gs and form.html in the Google Sheets web apps. For the record, this app script was open in the previous video where I have copied the script with the automatically generated unique ID. Next, you need to deploy a new version of the web apps. Copy the URL and paste it in the browser. Fill out the form. New row have been recorded in the Google Sheets, and if you check the subfolder, you will find the automatically generated PDF file with the recorded details.